Carpet cleaners, it's John here. It's Roger Lloyd. It's the Carpet Cleaners Show. Roger is one of our clients over at AGB. For those of you that don't know, we specialize in one thing or one thing only, getting carpet cleaning companies like you booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. We don't work with any other industry. We literally crack the code when it comes to the carpet cleaning industry in the USA. That's the only industry that we work with. We've been working with Roger for a while now. We've been getting him some great results. I think the last time I checked, we made him like 26 grand or whatever it was to date. But recently, Roger has been implementing a new strategy in his business around his pricing, which he's fed into the advertising and the marketing that we're doing for him. And the impact that Roger's new strategy has had on his business has been absolutely phenomenal. And in summary, just to kind of sum up, absolutely focus on what you do best, focus on what you enjoy doing most, which is carpet cleaning, and leave tinkering around with ads and stuff like that to people that really enjoy doing that stuff, that have got that part cracked, so that you can focus on being a better business owner. Absolutely. That was one great bit of value that you gave to us today on the video. Another one is create a high level of perceived value. And a great tip for that, which is, I've learned something new today, list out the ingredients of your pre-spray, put that in your marketing, talk about that when you're on the phone to people, drop it in your email marketing. We're going to do 3 rooms and a hallway for X dollars, and you're also going to get all this treatment. And theoretically, it's true, they are, because those are the chemicals that make up the spray that you're going to put down, and you are going to put that spray down on the carpet, period. So it's not like it's a lie, it's true, right? Do you know what I mean? But by listing it out, by breaking it down like that, it creates that perceived value, so people feel like they're getting more value than they're paying for. That's amazing advice. Moving on from that, in your experience, Roger, this is when we'll finish up. I appreciate you've got to get onto jobs. You spoke to a lot of carpet cleaners down the years. You speak to carpet cleaners every day. Would you say that it's not common for most carpet cleaning business owners to do a pre-inspection? Is it, or is it typically most do? Like, what are your thoughts there?
It's typical that they don't. Carpet cleaners, the industry itself as a whole, they fear the word SALES.
Right.
Anytime they talk about anything that it could increase the job ticket when they get inside the home or the business, they feel dirty. Oh, Roger, you're just a dirty car salesman. No. I keep telling you, don't insult me. If you're going to call me a car salesman, call me a new car salesman, because there's nothing used about me. And I thank you. And I let my clients know, look, it's up, but you always make it feel like if they don't, you don't sell it to them. You let them know what you see and what you have to offer. They almost feel silly if they don't do it. I fight with carpet cleaners every day. You buy these $40,000 and $50,000 truck mounts. You spend $5,000 to $7,000 on a truck mount wrap. Boy, the truck looks good. Boy, the truck mount works good. But your customers don't know what's in your truck. Yes, they can see I have a pretty wrap on my truck, but they don't know what's in it.
Absolutely.
And so you want to, I guess the best words is to tell them the benefits and let them see the features. Let them know the benefits of what they're going to get, which is the perceived value. And when they look out the door and when they see you pull up, and if you have a fancy uniform shirt or whatever, you let the feature sell itself. You want to talk about the benefits to your clients. Now, before we go, John, I just want to let them know what you and I and all the other manufacturers and chemists have going on in August. Actually, August 27th, 28th, and 29th of 2023 this year. Right now, it's May 15th of 2023. So when you put these videos out there and we put them in the groups and on YouTube and everything, if you really like what you hear, if you're getting perceived value from this video right here, why not take one step further in Pottstown, Pennsylvania on August 27th, 28th, and 29th of 2023, right before the kids go back to school, right before your winter busy season starts. We're going to have a 3-day event. We're going to have steam action there. We're going to have Soap Daddy chemicals there for the lead generation. We're going to have AGB do a class or a segment on what they can do to keep you have to keep your phone ringing. And then Janae Raleigh Lloyd of RLMA is going to go over business plan and business development, and she's going to tell you about the coaching services that RLMA has. Yes, you need a coach, just like a boxer needs a coach, just like LeBron James, one of the greatest basketball players in the world. He has a coach. They have coaches. Why do the best of the best have coaches and you, a small local carpet cleaner, you don't need to be, oh, Roger, I know it all. I don't need a guy. Then when we talk about lead generation, oh, I'll do it myself. I'm not paying all that. I'm not paying. Yes, you are. You're paying Facebook or Google or Instagram or Yelp, whatever, Angie's, whatever. You're paying them. You don't get it.
Absolutely.
You want to put your dollars in places that make sense. That's why a business plan and a business coach is so necessary, because then once you get coached, you know, like when you're a boxer or you're a basketball player or LeBron James, once you're on the court, the coach is on the sideline and you just doing, baby, what LeBron James just do. He makes a basketball game look unbelievable, right? Michael Jordan, Air Jordan back in the day, he was soared through the air and just popped that basketball right in the basket. And now when he's retired, everybody's still spending thousands of dollars on his sneakers because he's a hero. He's not being coached anymore. He's not even playing anymore, but he had to be coached. He had to get it. It just doesn't come. You can have the talent, but you have to be coached to put the talent in order so it can make you successful. AGB, the Carpet Cleaning World University, a good truck mount, a good portable, good equipment, good tools, a good branding, your look. When I get out my truck, I look like my truck. When I get in my truck, I look like my truck. Ladies, you have to understand, ladies like shoes. Women like shoes. I have my shoes part of my uniform. They say BioClean Carpet Cleaning. I say this all the time and make you guys laugh. I went in this lady's house, real nice house, beautiful home, well, decor in a nice neighborhood. And the lady was like, hello. And I was like, hi, I'm Roger from BioClean. And she stopped right then and there. She grabbed her head. She says, oh my God. I said, ma'am, what's wrong? She said, you got the shoes. You got the shoes. Oh my God. Look, Betty, she called her girlfriend or the person that worked for her. She's like, come here. Look, he has the shoes. She spent gobs and gobs of money, not because of perceived value, but because, oh my God, I connected with her. Women like shoes. Women like shoes and bags. Women will spend a lot of money on shoes and bags. You want to connect with your target market. I didn't even have to do a walkthrough yet. She had already decided when she looked at my head to toe, my feet, that she was going to do business with me. Now, if that's not enough, I invite you to meet me and John, Janae, Steam Action, HydraMaster, and the rest of us on August 27th, 28th, and 29th, right before the kids go back to school, right before you get busy for the fall. Come join us. Let us educate your mind on perceived value. Let us help you with business plan and business development. Let John and AGB take your lead generation and stand in contact with your clients off the table. Why wouldn't you want to do this, carpet cleaning industry?
Absolutely. It's a great way to finish up. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. As always, it's a pleasure chatting to Roger. We could go on for the next 2 or 3 hours probably, but this guy's got jobs to get to. I've got meetings to get to, so we need to kind of wrap it up. If you did enjoy this video, if you head down to the description below, you're going to find a link to the Carpet Cleaning World University. It's a free to join Facebook group. There's tons of advice, hints and tips, loads more value in there, not just from Roger, but from many other carpet cleaning business owners that have been equally successful. So you're going to get a lot of value in there. And you'll also, in the description, find a link to to our website. So if you do want to get more jobs for your carpet cleaning business, if you do want to get booked out on autopilot, if you do want to be more hands-off of all of that stuff so that you can focus on running your business, then click that link, check out our website. There's going to be some amazing testimonials on there from carpet cleaners where we've really changed their lives for the better. There's going to be all the information about our advertising and marketing services, and you're going to actually be able to schedule a no obligation call with us as well. So check out Carpet Cleaning World University Facebook group, check out our website for AGB, book in for a call. Cheers, see you on the next video. Peace.